Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick the settings button to open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down and find the scan QR codes option. So as you can see, here it is. By using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep the turn it on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you don't need any other app, you can do it by just putting them inside your camera. We have also short information from the device that this works with the rear camera by using the standard photo mode. So let me show you. When we go back, we have to remember to stay on this standard photo mode with the back camera to scan QRs. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.